Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today come with a small video. I'm gonna create a Windows Forms app in .NET Framework using Visual Studio and just show a hello world message on a Windows message box. Okay, so let's create a project in Windows Forms app. So let's create the project. I'm gonna give the name message box sample, and I'll keep the project name and solution name as same. Okay, and just I'm repeating, I'm making this project in Visual Studio 2019, the community edition that you can download from Microsoft website for. So once the project is open, you will see a default form there, and the left side you have the toolbox where we can select our tools for the application. So I'm going to select a button and drag and drop to the form. It's easy, so let's do that. So once it added, you can resize the button, you can change the font, you can change the color, and by double clicking on the button, this will create the event, like the button click event automatically. So just double click on it, you're gonna go to the coding section or the scripting section where we want to make our commands. So I'm gonna just type message box, the MessageBox.Show. It's a function to display the message. So we got a parameter, and this a text parameter where you can we have to pass a parameter what we want to display it on the message. So just now created, I run the application, so you can see the form is open. So now we can click on the button, so you can see hello world there now, right? So